Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. This reading po, if you find this reading on April the 19th, this is meant for you, this message. So, on April the 19th, there is a shifting happening. You need to stay grounded. You need to stabilize yung emotion nyo po. Mentally po, you need to be also practical as well po. Okay? Yun yung zodiac sign na horoscope, sorry. Yun yung horoscope na sinasabi po. So, you need also to being magiging true ka sa sarili mo din. It's not just sa sarili mo, but your situation as well. Okay? So, we're taking a look kung ano bang nag-shift sa iyo for the month of April. Okay, meron tayong 10 of Pentacles for today. So, take only mga messages na maka-resonate po kayo kasi hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Okay po. So, this is just a general reading, collective reading, and a timeless reading as well. So, if you cannot resonate, it means that it's not your time yet. So, leave it behind. And also, before tapusin yung tarot na itong reading na po, yung video, please don't forget to share, comment down below if you can resonate, and like and subscribe as well. I really need all your support and help, everyone. Okay. Meron tayong 10 of Pentacles, meron tayong 4 of Cups. See? Kailangan mo i-secure yung ano mo. Something you need to secure. Okay? Siguro pera mo. Pera mo, or it could be also your a love. Love is in the air. Okay. It could be also your faith as well that you need to secure it. Kasi siguro na-lost ka na ng hope. It could be it as well. Okay, you are going to depression. You are going to depression. So, you need, kailangan mong mag-ano sa sarili mo. You need to secure mentally, emotionally na hindi ka malulong, madadrown sa ano mo, depression mo. Parang nadidepress ka. Nadidepress ka kasi, or some of you may offer na ibibigay, i-offer sa inyo. Pero hindi mo naman siya gusto. Tinalikuran mo yung offer, some of you. Yung security na yan, I think something to do with money. Money and love. Yeah. Okay. Judgment. Ito na yung panahon na magiging true ka sa sarili mo. Magiging honest ka sa sarili mo. Which is, yung offer na yan, no? There you go. Ayaw mo. Tinalikuran mo kasi hindi mo gusto. You just being yourself. Ayan, lumabas agad. Okay. Parang some of you as well na-depress. No? Yung depression na yan, okay? You need to make an effort na maano ka sa depress mo. Yung ma-solve yung depress mo, makontrol mo yung depress mo. Because hindi pwede nga dyan ka lang sa sitwasyon na yan, depression yan. Wag. Wala kang makukuha sa depression mo, you need to move. You need to move forward. Handle it with care. Kailangan mo mag-move forward. Okay? Kailangan mo siyang i-accept mo siya na sure, I have a depression, I have this, I have to deal with this, but hindi ka naman alone eh. You're not alone. Kailangan mo lang ng self-control. You need to look after your well-being as well. That's why sabi nga ng horoscope for April the 19th, you need to stabilize emotionally. You need to be practical. Kasi pag nandiyan ka lang, how can you move forward? Mag-move forward ka. You need to. Kasi, in this judgment, no, you need to learn to forgive yourself. You need to learn to forgive kung ikaw ba'y nasaktan sa when it comes to love, no? Kung ito ba'y something to do with your love, kaya na-depress ka, learn to forgive and let go. Kasi hindi siya para sa'yo. And you need to make an effort kasi yung pag-e-effort mo yan, marirewardan ka din. Okay? Okay, meron tayo. Ito yung una na hulog eh. So, we'll get this one. Meron tayong 10 of Wands. See? Ma-achieve mo din yan. Malalampasan mo din yan yung what you're going through. Yung tinalikuran mo na na offer, no? Buti na lang tinalikuran mo kasi it's not meant for you to have that. Kasi you will parang parang heavy burden siya sa'yo at the end. Kung tinanggap mo yung offer na yan, mamproblema ka sobra. So which is really good. Tinalikuran mo. Okay. Kung sa pera naman, nadidepress ka sa pera, wag. May pag-asa pa. Hindi pa huli ang lahat. Makakahanap ka pa ng solusyon. Okay? There's a door opening for you. Tingnan mo yung 10 of Pentacles. May key dyan, ibig sabihin, there's a door opening for you, hindi pa huli ang lahat. Meron tayong 7 of Pentacles. Kahit pagod na kayo, overburden na kayo. Ay, wag kayo dyan. Wag kayo magpapadala. Work hard with yourself. I-distract mo yung sarili mo. Stay grounded. Sorry about that. That's my dog. Someone just walked past again. Meron talaga. There is a big potential na basta mag-effort ka lang, ma-achieve mo yan. Masosolve ang problema mo. In solving the problema mo, may door pa na mag-o-open sa'yo. May offer na mag-o-offer sa'yo. And if this is money that you need to secure, you need it to guard it properly. You need to guard your money tightly kasi in the future, mag-i-invest ka ng i-invest mo yung pera na yan and makukuha mo siya. Ma-achieve mo yan. Magtatagumpay ka. Okay? There is a potential na magtagumpay ka. Multiples yung dito, readings, energies na lumabas. Meron tayong Six of Wands. Okay, Six of Wands. May see? Ma-achieve mo talaga siya. Marirewardan ka din. Magtatagumpay ka talaga. Basta mag-effort ka lang. Huwag kang yung determinado talaga ang effort mo. Mag-focus ka lang. Yung sinasabi dyan. Huwag kang mawala ng pag-asa. Kung sino man yung nag-antay ng contracts, no? Madedelay yung contract mo na at the moment. Hindi pa siya darating, hindi pa siya ma-release. Yung inaantay mo na contract. Ang dami, it's a multiple energy today, yung readings ko. Marami ang dito, energy dito. Marami. Yung bumubuhos yung energy niya. Hindi lang isa, dalawa. More than pa. Meron tayong Knight of Cups. Kailangan talaga na magiging confident ka. Huwag ka magpadala sa emotion mo. Okay? Kasi, kung talaga, promise, masusob mo talaga. Basta magiging determined ka lang talaga. Mag-effort ka talaga. Magiging true ka sa sarili mo. Kaya mo yan. Ma-achieve mo yan. Meron tayong Six of Pentacles. Another success na naman. Sabi ko sa'yo makukuha mo talaga siya. Kahit anong reading ko dito, no? Magtatagumpay kayo. Yung multiple na energy na yan. Magtatagumpay talaga kayo. Basta, determinado lang daw kuno ang effort nyo po. Focus. And there's really a door opening for you and that is a success. Okay. Meron tayong Queen of Pentacles. Mag-stable din kayo niyan. Your situation will stabilize pag na yan sa mo. Pag maging successful ka na. Okay? May stable din yan. And stay always down to earth. Okay? Huwag kayo magpadalos-dalos sa decision nyo. Okay? You need to be wise. You need to have this willingness bitaw na sinusuportahan mo yung sarili mo din na kaya mo yan. It's already here. It's already been said na magiging, kahit anong basa ko dyan, success. Ayan, successful ka na talaga at the end. Ngayon nga lang, ka talaga. You have to start from difficulties. You have to carry your burden first before you receive yung goals mo. Yun nga lang. Pero kahit anong basa ko dyan, tingin ko dyan, success talaga ang word na lumalabas. Successful ka talaga at the end. Kaya don't give up. Okay? Okay. Papa tayo. Manalig lang. Pray. Don't give up. Maging practical ka kasi walang makakatulong kundi sarili mo lang. So, help yourself. Sabihin mo yung sarili mo, kaya natin to. We're not alone. Oops. Ano ba yan? Sorry. Ayan. See? Facts. You need to take care of yourself. You need to take care of yourself. Wag niyong papayaan yung sarili mo. Huwag niyong pabayaan yung sarili niyo just because ang problema mo ay laking-laki. Wag. Magiging senses ka naman sa sarili mo. Na hindi talaga huli ang lahat. May pag-asa pa. O ayan, birds. Huwag kang makikinig sa ibang tao, ha? Huwag kang makikinig sa mga ibang tao na nagchichismis-chismisan. Huwag kayo makihalubilo. Kasi pinagchichismisan ka, pinag-uusapan ka. Huwag, ignorin mo lang yan. Selos lang yan sila sa'yo. Nagsiselos lang yan sa iyo. Okay, ano pa? And normal lang yan, mag-worry ka, but don't let it get into you, okay? Find something that will distract you at the same time. Like, if you wanna go have fun outside, hang out with your friends, go for it. Madidistract din kayo. Meron sabi ko sa iyo there's a door opening. Ayan, key, diba? Yun yung sinasabi ko. Kahit anong tingin ko dyan, reading ko yan. Success talaga. May offer talaga. May beginning ka talaga. Matatapos talaga yung problema mo. Sabi ko sa iyo Kaya wag kang wag kang mawala ng pag-asa. Diba? Sabi ko din sa iyo, stay grounded. Kailangan stable siya, magiging realistic ka sa sarili mo. Be true to yourself. Be honest to yourself. Be sensible to yourself as well. Yeah? Kasi ito yung problema mo that will give you growth. You will grow with this. You will learn with this. Spiritually, mentally, Kaya, pag darating na yung sagot na yan, it's rewarding. Sabihin mo tayo sa sarili mo, Lord, thank you so much. Ayan. Kahit ano ko talagang basa dyan, success talaga, makukuha mo siya. Basta, determinado ka nga lang. Don't give up. Focused. Be yourself. Okay? Kuha pa tayo ng isa. Parang may isa o dalawa. Pahingon. Kuha muna tayo. Kaya manalig ka lang. Okay? Don't let anybody, pag may mag-advise sa'yo, hindi na yan, wala na pag-asa na yan, huwag kang makinig. Ito hindi naglalay. Kahit anong basa ko dyan. Success, focus ka lang. Stay grounded. Maging ka lang, matino ka sa sarili mo. Be true. Don't be pretentious. Don't let anybody pretend na don't let them come to you. Don't let them enter to yung mga pretentious na mga tao na yan. See? Magiging strong ka. Strong lang, bear. Magiging matatag ka lang. Ang sinasabi dito. I hope you enjoyed this reading. That's all I can read for you. The energy para sa inyo. And good luck whoever you are. It's very intense reading though. So I hope that you can resonate this. Don't forget to comment down below, like, and subscribe. Share if you know someone that can resonate this, okay? I hope you enjoyed this reading, everyone. I will see you in my next reading. Bye for now.